wooden cross, blackbird in the barn, 400 empty acres that used to be my farm. Grew up like my daddy did, my grandpa cleared this land. When I was 5, I walked the fence while grandpa held my hand. Rain on the scarecrow, blood on the plow. This land fed a nation, this land made me proud. And son, I'm just sorry there's no legacy for you now. Rain on the scarecrow, blood on the plow. Rain on the scarecrow, blood on the plow. The crops we grew last summer weren't enough to pay the loan. Couldn't buy the seed to plant this spring, and the farmer's bank foreclosed. Called my old friend Shipman up to auction off the land. He said, John, it's just my job, and I hope you understand. They calling it your job, oh horse, sure don't make it right. But if you want me to, I'll say a prayer for your soul tonight. And grandma's on the front porch swing with a Bible in her hand. Sometimes I hear her singing, take me to the promised land. When you take away a man's dignity, he can't work his fields and cows. But blood on the scarecrow, blood on the plow. Blood on the scarecrow, blood on the plow. Crosses planted in the courthouse yard, with 97 families who lost 97 farms. I think about my grandpa, my neighbors, and my name. It's the nights I feel like dying.